A day in Maria's life. Maria Alvarez is a 38-year-old housewife living in a small neighborhood. She loves to cook warm, homemade meals like soups, stews, and fresh bread for her family. She often tells her children, always be kind, work hard, and never forget where you come from, a line they hear almost every day. Whenever she goes shopping, she always buys fresh fruit, school snacks, and their favorite chocolate milk, even if it's not on her list. Although she enjoys cooking, she dislikes preparing fried foods and complicated seafood dishes because they leave a mess and take too much time. In the evenings, she likes to relax by watching romantic comedies and old family movies. Every day, Maria wakes up early to make breakfast, cleans the house, prepares lunch, helps her children with homework, and takes a short walk in the neighborhood.